have a 2011 Kia Soul here, the 2.0 liter. The check engine light is for the purge valve. I already bought the aftermarket part right here. That's the part number right here. And here's the purge valve. And to get to the purge valve, you're going to remove the air tube right here. Disconnect one of the hose. And it's going to be located right under the throttle body, which is right there. You can see this one right here with the connector. Here's the purge valve. You're going to disconnect the connector and clamp one of the clamp on top and one of the clamp on the bottom, and you unhook both holes. For the rubber mount right here, you're gonna slide it out. You're gonna switch the rubber piece right here, switch it over from the old one to the new one, and the sensor is gonna sit. And the sensor is gonna sit like this, just like that. There you go. And then you're gonna put your air tube back in place. So once everything's back, the clamp is back, the connector is back, and your other clamp is good. Code Evap Insufficient Purge. This one right here, I'm not worried about it. So just the Evap. So that's it, guys. So like my video, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.